Alright guys, another video. It's a brand that I featured a couple times now, and I just have found that I put them in high rotation. It's fun to kind of do a big kind of elaborate shoot with different clothing, and these are a good choice to do that with. And the brand is Tuck It Up, and this one is a newer, I would call it new to me seeing it in the last 3 months. So let's call it August, September, October. It's October right now on their website. This is an elastic swimsuit, elastic band, which for me, this brand, it's going to make it much more comfortable. It's very stretchy. It's got adjustable straps, and it's got these gold color rings, and it's got a very flat front and also a low cut front depending on how you want to wear it, and then the thong back. It kind of gathers in the middle, but thong back. This is an extra large. You can choose to wear it higher on your hips if you like, for that more of a fun look. I don't really have any hips, but just it's going to slide down anyways and just kind of hang at my fat rolls. It's going to accentuate the fat rolls, right? But, you know, whatever you like to accentuate, I guess. So anyways, thong back. It's good quality. I like that it's adjustable. I had concerns that the rings would be uncomfortable, but they are not. I have worn this for a long time. And double check the sizing table that they have on the website if you're going to order anything from them. But you can see kind of thong or small pouch up front. It looks bigger when I'm holding it like this, but it's actually going to be pretty low cut on the front, very flat front. And then it's got a double layer in here for comfort, and it's cotton, feels nice. And extra large again, and then the thong back. This is fun to pair with like a black tank top, sheer tank top. If you wanted to wear a bikini top, you could do that. Half shirts are fun. I've been doing that. Hard to find. There's not very many vendors that make men's half shirts. So pairing is fun with this. That has stitching where you have the elastic and then just joins into the rest of the material. It's okay the way they do that. It still is comfortable. So that's it, guys. What do you think? Do you like the style? As a geek, underwear and swimwear geek, I'll basically buy any style to try it out. If you like bulge thongs or flat or contoured pouches, torpedo pouches, all that stuff, then this one's not really for you. It's going to be very flat front. It's going to smush things down. For me, I buy it all. I like all the options. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me on YouTube so many years. Again, it's a lot of fun. It's a community around this. I know there's a lot of people out there, guys like me, that are just into swimwear and underwear that's different than normal. Why not? It's fun. So thanks, guys.